Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss properties of integers topic. Properties of integers. So this is our topic name. In that we are going to discuss associative property. Associative property. Okay. Now in this property under addition, for all a comma b comma c belongs to integers. For all a comma b comma c belongs to integers. Now we can do like this: a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Clearly we are going to add three integers a, b, c. In LHS part, first we have to add a second and third integer. Then after there is some plus first integer. In RHS part, we should add first and second integer. Then after you add third integer. Now I am going to explain this one with by taking an examples. Consider three integers. Consider three integers: 7, 5 and -8. What I taken three integers? 7, 5 and -8. You understand it as A as 7, B as 5, C as -8. Now take the LHS part. What is the LHS part? The LHS part is A plus bracket of B plus C. This is the LHS part. Now I am going to substitute A, B, C values in this place. A means that is 7 plus B means that is 5 plus C means that is -8. Okay. So bracket for second and third integers. Now 7 plus, first of all you just add in bracket part. 5 plus of minus means that is -8. Okay. Now 7 plus 5 minus 8 means that is -3 we get. Again 7 plus of minus ila bracket unte off kada, plus of minus 3. So 7 minus 3 we get what, Nana? That is 4. The LHS part is we get what? The LHS part is 4. Now take the RHS part. What is the right hand side part? A plus B plus C. This time we first add first and second integer. Then after there's some plus third integer. Okay. Again you substitute the values of A, B and C. I am taking here 7 plus B means 5, close the bracket, plus C means that is -8. Now 7 plus 5 means that is 12, plus of minus means that is -8. Okay, 12 minus 8 means 4. Clearly the RHS part is we get 4 and LHS part also we get what, that is 4. Clearly LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that associative property under addition is satisfying for integers. Okay. Now let us discuss one more. associative property under multiplication. What Nana? Associative property under multiplication. Now again you consider any three integers a, b, c. Their form should be a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. In LHS part, you first add second and third integer. In RHS part, first add first and second integer. Sorry, first multiply first and second integer in RHS part, and in LHS part second and third integers you just multiply. Then after their product with the first integer. Here also the multiplication of first two the product of the first two integers again into third integer. Okay, I am taking examples here. Consider three integers -4, 6 and 9. What I taken? -4, 6 and 9. I taken three integers. You understand a as -4, b as 6, c as 9. Okay. Then take the LHS part. The LHS part is what, Nana? A into b into c, bracket for second and third integers. Okay. So I am going to substitute in the place of a, b, c what I take in the values that are integers. A means -4 into b means 6 into c means that is 9. First of all, you just write -4 as usually into the bracket lo ఉన్న part ni multiply cheyandi. Their product 6 into 9, 6 9s are 54. Okay. Again -4 into 54. -4 into 54 means 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. So we get a -216. -4 into 54 is equals to -216. Now take the RHS part. The RHS part is a into b into c. Okay. Bracket for first two integers. Okay. Now in the place of a, b, c, I am going to substitute the integers. -4 into b means 6, close the bracket. C means that is 9. Multiply in the bracket part the product of -4 and 6. -4 into 6, that is 6 4s are 4 6 are 24. Okay. Into 9. -24 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3, that is 21. Means we get that is -216. So clearly the LHS part is we get -216 and RHS part also we get -216. So LHS is equals to RHS. So you can say that associative property under multiplication is satisfying for integers. Okay. So in the same manner you to practice associative property under subtraction. Okay. Associative property under subtraction, you take any three integers a minus b minus c is it, and this is the LHS part, a minus b minus c. Okay now you just check the LHS part and the RHS part. In the place of a, b, c, you take any three integers, you check it LHS RHS both are equal or not equal. Okay. And like that only division also, associative property under division. You consider LHS part a divided by b divided by c, bracket for second and third integers, and RHS part a divided by b divided by c, bracket for first and second integers. In the place of a, b, c, take your own integers, whether all are positive or all are negative, or some positive or some negative, your wish. You take any integers, any three integers, you just substitute in the LHS part, and what is the value? You just substitute in the RHS part, what is the value? Are they equal? LHS value, RHS value equal or not? Check cheyandi. Okay, so these two you consider it as a modal work. Now let us discuss one more topic, that is distributive property. Distributive property. Okay, so distributive property, in this, in general, a comma b comma c belongs to integers. Okay na, a comma b comma c belongs to integers, then a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. So this is the form. What nana? Distributive property, you consider any three integers. Okay, so a into bracket of b plus c is equals to, one time a into b, middle sign is plus, again with a into c. I am going to explain this one by taking an example. Now see here, consider here also you take three integers. Consider three integers. I am taking, they are 12 comma 5 comma 5 and 7. What I taken three integers? 12 comma 5 and 7. I taken three positive integers. I am going to substitute in this place. We know this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. First of all, I am taking LHS part, that is a into bracket of b plus c. Okay, in the place of a, b, c, what I taken values, integers 12, 5, 7 substitute chestunna. A as 12 into b plus c means b as 5 plus c as 7. 12 into 5 plus 7 means that is 12. 12 into 12, 12 12 sir. That is what nana? 12 12 sir, 144. Okay na, 12 12 sir, 144. So I get the LHS part is like this. Next, take the RHS part. The RHS part is a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c. A means that is 12 into b means that is 5 plus a means that is 12 into c means that is 7. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 12 into 5 means 12 5s are 60 plus 12 7s are 12 into 7 means that is 84. Now 60 plus 84 means what nana? That is we get 144. Clearly LHS part is equals to RHS part. LHS value we get 144 and RHS value also we get 144. So clearly LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that distributive property is satisfying for integers. Okay, so in the place of a, b, c values you consider any integers. Okay, now take your own examples and verify the what we discussed the properties. Okay students, thank you.